One of the most prominent tools in AI video generation right now is the LTX model. LTX has now released its new LTX 2.5 model. This is an open source model, and you've probably heard that it's generally free to use. However, you've also likely heard that to use it for free, you need a powerful computer. Since it's an open source model, running it typically requires a fairly powerful PC. A good processor alone isn't enough. You'll also need a decent GPU and a good amount of VRAM. But now, even without any of that, you can run LTX 2.5 on a smartphone, and it's completely free. And when I say free, I don't mean you're limited to generating just 1 or 2 videos per day. You can generate unlimited videos. In this video, we're going to look at how you can use the LTX 2.5 model for free and without limits. To get started, open any browser. Once your browser is open, search for Loremotion. When you search for it, you'll find a website called Loremotion.com. Select it. Once you've opened it, you'll see an option called Try Loremotion. Click on it. After that, log in using any Google account. There's one important thing you should pay attention to here. If you're wondering why they're offering LTX 2.5 and even models like Minimax for free, it's because this website runs a lot of ads. So you shouldn't disable those ads. If you do, you'll still be able to generate videos for free, but you'll face more restrictions. If you have any ad blockers enabled, make sure to turn them off. Whether you're using a computer or a phone, and regardless of which browser you're using, check that any ad blockers are disabled. As for their plans, here's how they work. There is a paid plan, but let's look at what you get with the free plan. As shown here, you get unlimited LTX 2.5 video generation when signed in. In other words, once you sign in, you can generate unlimited LTX 2.5 videos. Anyway, let's move on to generating videos. You'll see a videos option here. On the page below, you'll find several options, such as text to video and image to video. For now, I'm selecting text to video and scrolling down. Once you scroll down, you'll see options for selecting a model. We're choosing LTX 2.5. You can also use the Minimax model for free in the same way. There are VO models available as well, but those use credits. When you sign in, you'll receive 7 free credits, and some of those credits will be used, so keep that in mind. We've selected the LTX 2.5 model. Now scroll down further, and you'll find an option to enter your prompt. Enter your prompt there, then continue scrolling down. After scrolling down, you'll find options to select the resolution. Choose the resolution you want. You can also select the duration here. In addition, you can choose the aspect ratio. If you're creating long-form videos, select 16:9. If you're creating content for Reels, select 9:16. There are also 1:1 and 4:3 aspect ratio options available. For now, I'm selecting this aspect ratio. Once that's done, you'll see a Generate Video option. Click on it. One thing to note is that this platform doesn't allow you to generate full HD videos for free. The maximum resolution available for free video generation is HD. After that, if you scroll back up, you'll be able to see the video generation progress. Wait a little while for the video to be generated. As you can see, the video has now been generated. If you look at the results, you'll notice that the output quality is quite good. If you want to download the video, click on the Download Video option. Then click the 3 dots menu, where you'll find a download option. Click it and the video will be downloaded. Another thing worth mentioning is that AI-generated videos often come with watermarks. However, this platform doesn't add any watermark at all. As you can see here, there's no watermark. Also, it's not limited to text to video. You can generate videos from photos as well. To do that, select the Videos option just like before, then choose Image to Video. Once selected, you'll see an Upload Reference Image option. Click on it, then select a photo. After selecting the photo, scroll down. Then, just like before, select the model. We need to choose LTX 2.5. After that, scroll down again and enter your prompt. Then, set the resolution and choose the aspect ratio. You can also set the duration. Once everything is configured, click Generate Video, and your photo will be animated into a video. You can see the video generation progress at the top. Just wait a little longer. Based on my testing, it usually takes anywhere from 1 to 5 minutes. If everything is running quickly, the video may be generated in about a minute. However, if the server is busy, it can take up to 5 minutes. Anyway, let's play the video and take a look. The results are quite impressive. As mentioned earlier, you can also download the video. There's another option available here as well. You'll find an option called Continue Video. With Continue Video, you can upload a source clip. I've uploaded the video that I downloaded earlier. After that, select the model. I'm choosing LTX 2.5. Then enter a prompt describing what should happen next in the video. Once you've done that, scroll down and select the resolution. You can also choose the aspect ratio and set the duration. Then click on Generate Video. When you click it, you may sometimes see an advertisement. If an ad appears, make sure you don't skip it. Let the advertisement play completely. You can see the progress of the ad at the top. Only close it after it is finished. The video generation has now started. As I mentioned earlier, it's currently running quite fast, but don't expect video generation to always be this quick. This time, the video was generated in under a minute. Let's go ahead and play it. As you can see, the video's length is now 15 seconds. That's how you can use the Continue Video option as well. And again, there's no watermark. Overall, you can use this model for free and without limits. So that's how you can generate unlimited videos for free using the LTX 2.5 model, even without a powerful PC. You can do all of this right from your smartphone. I hope you found this video useful. Feel free to leave your genuine feedback in the comments. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, consider subscribing to the channel.